Why automate Excel tasks?
Automating Excel tasks saves time and reduces errors. Instead of manually repeating the same actions, scripts let your computer handle the work. This speeds up tasks like formatting, organizing data, and updating reports. Automation is perfect for anyone who works with large spreadsheets or wants to make daily work faster and more reliable.
Getting started. What are Excel scripts?
Excel scripts are small programs that automate tasks in your worksheets. Microsoft Excel offers built-in scripting tools like VBA or Visual Basic for applications. They let you tell Excel what to do step by step, like copying data, cleaning up columns, or generating charts automatically. Understanding the basics opens the door to endless possibilities.
Writing your first macro.
A macro is a recorded or written set of instructions in Excel. With the macro recorder, you don't need to type code, just click record, perform your actions, and Excel captures them. For example, you can record a macro that formats a table or sorts data. Once recorded, you run the macro anytime to repeat your actions instantly.
Simple example. Cleaning up data.
Imagine automating the process of removing empty rows in a spreadsheet. With a short VBA script, you can check each row and delete the ones without data. This turns a time-consuming manual task into a quick, repeatable process, ensuring your data stays organized and accurate.
Tips and best practices.
Start with small, simple scripts and test them thoroughly. Always save your work before running a new script, as changes can affect large amounts of data. Use clear names for your macros and add comments to your code to remember what each part does. As you gain confidence, you can automate more complex Excel jobs.